What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we have a live bidding over on IAA Auctions, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I won another car. I'm back on Team Beam, and it's from Pedal. Shit. Alright guys, we are in here. Now, we just won a BMW X5, so I'll have to figure that out here in a few minutes. But, not bad, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. $975. So we're just doing a quick video for you guys on what some of the vehicles and stuff we're going for on IAA.
Sale pending.
Which I'm sure you guys can hear some of the other lane that I have open right now.
Sale pending.
They got some decent vehicles going up for real, for real. Excuse me. No.
Sale pending.
Nissan Rogue. That's a dealer only car. Wow, they bid that one up, didn't they? That's insane.
Sale pending.
That's insane. Wow. Farm equipment. That's something I haven't seen in I haven't seen on IAA before, is farm equipment.
Sale pending.
That's interesting. We got an 05 Ford Explorer Sport Track. That's a little high, if you ask me. I'm gonna bounce out of this auction over here, and I want to see if I can see the awards that are pending. Oh, you know what I hate, man? I hate when you see when you see a vehicle. It is a clear title though, and it is run and drive, but it was sold by Pedal. Oh, this is what I get for seeing something that's interesting and trying to bid on something.
Time extended.
Friggin' Pedal, man. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
Sold.
Oh man. Well, hopefully it runs appropriately, or maybe they won't take my offer at 500 bucks. We'll see. But you guys can go see that win if you're watching this video. I posted it up on Instagram. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, man. Oof. Maybe they'll counter offer me and I could tell them to go pound sand. We'll see what happens. I don't see any hail damage or anything on the body. If it runs even halfway decently, I should be able to flip that car pretty easy.
Time extended.
The Mini Cooper though.
Sold.
Yeah, Malibu. Hey, what's up with that? It doesn't run. Nope. Nope. I'll post this. we'll wait and see what what they do, whether they award that to me or not. But wow, I mean, a Range Rover's not bad in price either for it to run and drive. The suspension is shot. Yep, air suspension. But you know, I've seen doing the conversion on that truck is not that difficult. It's not that bad. So that's a possible thing. My TikTok is blowing up today, man. All right, that's not bad though. $2,000, 2,100. So you're probably at like 2,800 after fees and whatnot. Yeah, 2,800. That's not bad for that, especially where it's clean title. This Chevy Cruze, what? It's a diesel. What? Wait a minute. They made a Chevy Cruze diesel? What? I've never heard of this. A Chevy Cruze diesel. And it's only at $2,000. 2,100. Runs and drives. Is the title clear? Yeah, it's got a clean title too. What the hell? $2,250 for a diesel. I wonder if the little tiny diesel motors, I mean, if it's clear like the other GM small diesel motors, like was in my 2020 Silverado. Screw that. 2,300. A Mitsubishi Mirage. Yeah, that's too much. Alley Financial is selling it. It's a repo. Oof. That thing is dogged out. Completely dogged out. Saturn Aura. You know, these Saturns, which are just, you know, what is that, a G6 Pontiac basically? Just a rebranded car. These Saturns though, Saturns period in general, have been going way up in price all of a sudden. And I think part of that's because of just the used car market going through the roof. And there we go. $1,050 on that. That's crazy. That's too much. 1,200. $1,150. Look at that. Boom. Nissan Pathfinder. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what the deal is on this other vehicle that we just won, but we'll wrap up with this Nissan Pathfinder here. But damn, and I'm recording on the other device, of course, but I will put images of the vehicle or the stuff that we won in here before I close this video out, so you guys get to see it. And I didn't expect to buy something else from Pedal, but that's what you get when you or just bidding on the fly. That's why I like pre-bidding. I like to do all my research on a vehicle before I bid on it, you know, and then you get suckered in with something nice. Anyways, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Now I got to go pick the car up. Oh, I'm still waiting on them to approve the offer, but I know it's Pedal. They normally just take it. It is a running and driving X5, so how bad could it be? We know how bad it could be, but we're going to find out. So stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay tuned. There's just more content coming soon. More stuff with the Prince GTO. And if Pedal accepts this offer, a brand new BMW on the channel with my favorite body style? Yeah.